this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a quick haul from Michael's and Dollar Tree. It's a very small one, but I wanted to share with you guys. I had to go into Michael's to return or exchange an iris bin that was cracked, that I didn't notice it was cracked when I got it. So luckily they just exchanged it, did a quick swap. So what did I get while I was there? I went ahead and got these cute wood rings. And these two, it's for a piece, and this one's a heart one, and this is a butterfly. So they were 99 cents, you guys. So if you have some sort of discount, teacher discount or military discount, you get a 15% off. So awesome. So it was like 89 cents, I think, or something like that. 80 something cents. And then I had to go, I didn't get my, that's all I got from Michael. So then I went to Dollar Tree. Usually Wednesdays is my stop day because that is the day my kids have asynchronous day, which means they have independent study at home, and that's when I could do all my running around now. Before I was able to do it after 12:30, do like post office. Now I can't because they changed the schedule on them because some of them went back to school. Anyway, so long story short, I went to Dollar Tree. So I saw these. These were new. I had not seen these. I only got the pink one. They had different colors. I know they've had different colors, but this one's different because I've never seen like a neon pink. So this one was really different. And they had purple. You know what? I just saw the pink and I got the pink. Surprise! They had these. Yay! I was so surprised. So I got me a few of these. I got me this cute spatula. I don't know. I thought it was cute. It's really small. It's about maybe 8 inches or so. So cute. And there you go. And I got me these. I found these. So I might be sending these to a crafty friend that might need them. And then, you guys, this is a humongous. I can't even fit it in here. Look at you guys. I got me this humongous bin. I will insert a picture of it in here. But you guys, 99 cents. They had just, well, according to the manager, they had just put them out, and I got me a few of these, and it's awesome because I actually can store my kids' clothes in there. So I'm debating between their clothes and my stuff. So I don't know, it might be their clothes. So anyways, cute, awesome, really big, bigger than the regular basket. So like I said, a picture should have been inserted, or I will insert it after here. So anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. I did say it was a small haul, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.